Sithokozani akwande kukhanye kube kuhle kube mhlophe. I'm greeting you all in the mighty name of God. You speaking to Mthunzi wezwe. You speaking to Umkhululangabi. You speaking to Umama Nkosazana. You speaking to umuntu owazalwa nesithuba. Manje oseyisithuba. Othunyiwe emhlabeni ukuthi azolungisa izinto. Laba bathi sifake musani ngoba ngiukhuzile lo umhlolo loyo. Uyabona nje ngibona yonke indawo. I can be everywhere in one time. Maungazawazi, those that knows will know what I'm saying. Stop commenting bad on my page. Stop calling me fake. Angaze ngiswele lutho mina empilweni. Never. Ngibizwa uJehova. Nganginesithunywa manje sengiyisithunywa. Ngisanusi sezulu. Isanusi sezulu. Isanusi esimazi ukutshela ukuthi yini ezokwenzeka tomorrow. Yini ezokwenzeka in the whole world. Yini ezokwenzeka eSouth Africa in the next 5 years. Yimlo. Right. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi there is a huge demand and request. Mkhululangabi sicela usitshele umbona ngani umuntu wakho ukuthi umphiwe. Umbona ngani umuntu omphiwe? Can I clear this? Umbona ngani umuntu omphiwe ukuthi umphiwe? Umbona ngani Mkhululangabi? We want to know. Sikhathele ngama test and pass. We are testing and passing now. We are tired. Mkhululangabi. Siyalobona siya divorce. We marry and remarry. We marry and divorce. Mkhululangabi, tell us, how do you know that this is the person that I'm gifted? This is my match when I'm a gifted child. How do I know this is my match when I'm a gifted child? Guys, that's a difficult question, but I'm going to answer you from my own past experiences, from the experiences of other people that I heal. Remember, I'm a healer. I meet different people every day of my life. This one is a bit juicy. Hey? One, umbona ngokuthi akathandwa lumuntu. Angeke azathandwe ngabantu abaphilayo kini. Angeke athandwe ngabantu abaphilayo kini. If ethandwa, uzothandwa maybe few. Again, it is a 2 out of 10. In English, sorry balandeli bami, I know some of you don't know how to speak other languages. How do I know? How do I see this is my chosen partner? Because I'm tired of marrying and remarrying. I'm tired of getting bored. I'm tired of test and pass. The person that you are with in your family or in her family. In your family, they won't like you. In her family, in your family, they won't like her. There are few people that are going to like this person. Why? Because this person was chosen by God. This person was chosen by God and your ancestors for a particular purpose to fulfill within your home. Whether it's the home of the wife to be or the wife, or whether it's the home of the husband to be or the husband, whether it's the home of the partner, same-sex partner, ganja. There is a purpose why they are giving you this person. Therefore, the reason why they will hate this person, it's not what they budgeted for. It's not what they thought you will have. Guys, love is a big energy. Love is a, I don't know what word, it's huge. It's spiritual. All love matters are spiritual. So love is a very spiritual thing. You need to connect with a person. It doesn't matter muhle, it doesn't matter movie, it doesn't matter mdala, it doesn't matter money, it doesn't matter the social status. You need to have that connection. So people won't understand the connection. Ungazibona kungena connection, you are a sucker. You want sex from this girl or you want money from the guy. A long relationship has to have connection. You need to have connection. You will feel this connection. You will feel like you've known each other for a long time. I think I repeated that. You will feel, I think I talked about that, advantages and disadvantages. You many a times, kuba a twin flame relationship ekanjalo. You are twin flames. Niyaxabana kodwa nihlukana. Niyaxabana ngesinye isikhathi kodwa nihlukana. Iba kanjalo relationship yakhona, but akathandwa loyo muntu ekhaya lakini. Angeke umakoti loyo bamthande because they won't see use kaloyo makoti. They won't see the deeper meaning, the biggest thing. Loyo makoti loyo, especially my gifted. Uzo break ama generational case. Utlojara sifapano sakoluna. Uyena muntu ozothwala isiphambano sakini emahlombe. And when awuboni balibele bamjaja, let's say akafundanga. Nkosi yami ubhuti wethu efunde kanje. Let's say maybe akekho muhle shem physical. Ubhuti wethu emuhle kanje. Ubhuti wethu enje. Ubhuti wethu enje. Bebhuti uyambheka lo bhuti wakho luthu. Nkosi yami kodwa kunya. Okunya ngathi angikuboni kahle nami lapha. Ubhuti wenziwe ipresident kanje ngoba sethandana nami ngoba kutheni. Kanti wena impela ozolungisa izimo. Uyayithola leyo nto leyo. Usuka ukhethiwe nikhethwa ningakazalwa. Nikhethwa ningakazalwa bese niyahlanganiswa. Bazokhuluma bakhulume. Abazi ukuthi le relationship yenu has been ordained before two of you were born. How dadwethu kambe wazowashada nendoda engenamali, wena usomathenda phela, imali ibuzwa kuwena. So what? Connection, energy and connection is there. It's at play. So ubonakala ngalokho loyo muntu loyo, and okunye futhi akagive up onomshado wakhe. Akagive up. Those people don't give up. Ngisho makuyukuthi nidalelwenwe ngempela, they won't give up on their things. They won't give up. They won't give up on their relationship. They won't give up on their relationship. They won't, even if omunye engahamba to a weaker person, nomunye ahambe to a weaker person, angeke. Not when bedalelweni. Never. Those are the things that you see ukuthi yo ngimxoshile yo ngidubile. After a week niyabuyelana. Niyahlukana nibuyelana. Emva kwalokho anisahlukani forever. Kuba nje indaba ukuthi these people looks financially incompatible, status incompatible, physical looks incompatible. Hey, indaba ingaphakathi. The energy from God and those people is the one that makes these people to cross each other's path. Don't forget about that. Injalo ayijiki. Yo bese nkosi yami usaba ngisho uhamba naye lo muntu wakho, usaba ngisho uhamba naye. Kodwa uyamthanda. Abahazi wenu anje. Your hearts are connected to each other. Your hearts are connected to each other like this. Makuyikuthi niyahlukana, omunye uhamba nehalf yomunye nomunye usala no half. That's how you know. Then the other thing that will make you realize, this is my personal person, ngimpiwe lo muntu. Niyabonelana izinto. Noma ngabe ngenaso isipho, noma ngabe sesesincane siyeza kuye, uzokuphuphela izinto, na uzomphuphela okanye umhlolele, naye akuphuphele. You protect each other ngenye indlela esimanga. Ngisho noma nixabene kanjani, but kuna that care yokuthi yo. Unkosi yami, imvula izomnetha lo muntu. Awu kodwa ngoba ungixoshile ngathi awusamfuni nje na. Hawu kodwa ngoba ekuseni uthe akahamba ngasabuyi, ahamba ayojola namanye amantombazana. Hayi man, hayi kodwa nje hayi angifuni imvula imnethe. Kodwa Nkosi yami, right yakhona. Uyobuya kanjani emsebenzini? Namhlanje kune strike. It's that type of a relationship. There is high level of care for each other. There is high level of protection for each other. There is high level of communication, empathy. You empathize and sympathize with each other. You can hear each other from afar. Ungakwazi ukukhuluma naye ese-England wena ula eSouth Africa. Iba kanjalo, uyibona kanjalo leyo relationship. Ake ngithi awavothe. Ngelinye ilanga ngizonichazela amagawuni wami. Hayi siyabona awajwayelekanga lamagawuni. Yayi, inkosazana le umthunzi wezwe lo. Timuriti wasichapa. Right. Ngizonixoxela ngalokho. Don't worry, because you need to relate with someone. Ezomoya ziyahlupha guys, so that you do izinto. Otherwise, hey, kuba rafu mntase. Kuba rafu. Ngiyabonga guys. Thank you so much. Akwande ukhanye kube kuhle kube mhlophe. Our vote.